In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up deposits for your business on the Booksy platform. This feature will ensure that your clients are committed to their appointments and protect your time and effort by requiring an upfront payment before confirmation. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get this done. First, we'll start by logging into the Booksy platform. Open up your browser and head over to the Booksy website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll need to enter your business account credentials. Make sure you've got the right information handy. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. Now that we're in, let's navigate to where we can configure our business settings. Look towards the left-hand side of your screen and you should see a menu. From that menu, click on Settings. After selecting Settings, go ahead and find the Payments and Cancellation Policy section. This is where you can manage various payment-related settings for your business. Next, let's focus on enabling deposits. Within the Payments and Cancellation Policy section, you should see an option labeled Deposits. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch next to the Deposits option. This action turns on the requirement for clients to pay a deposit when booking appointments with you. With deposits enabled, it's time to decide on the deposit amount that best suits your business needs. You have two choices here. You can either set a fixed amount or a percentage of the service price. For example, if you wish to set a fixed amount, you could opt for something like $500 or $10. Alternatively, if you prefer a percentage-based deposit, consider something in the range of 20% of the total service price. Enter the corresponding amount or percentage in the provided field. Once the deposit parameters are set, you need to apply them to your services. You have the flexibility to either apply the same deposit rule across all services or fine-tune different deposit requirements for each service. Select the services that will require a deposit based on your business strategy and client behavior. Finally, it's time to save the changes you've made. Look for the Save button and give it a click. This step confirms the updates to your deposit settings and ensures that everything is in place. Now, when your clients book appointments online, they will be prompted to pay the designated deposit upfront. This step secures their commitment and gives you peace of mind knowing that your valuable time is protected. Thank you for tuning in today, and good luck maintaining a seamless booking experience on Booksy.